Hôm nay là 23 tháng 7, em tên là Như Ý, em xin đọc bài báo. From VOA Learning English, this is the Science Report. Weather experts say this year could be the strongest El Nino event in the recorded history. They say it could lead to severe weather conditions in many parts of the world. El Nino is Spanish for the drought. The event usually begins in December. El Nino develops when winds off the west coast of South America weaken. This permits warm water in the western Pacific to expand toward the east and the Americas. At the same time, clouds and rains over the warm water also move east. El Nino condition happens about twice every 10 years. Usually the condition continue for about 12 to 18 months. They bring warm weather to some areas. The areas also become wetter than normal. However, El Nino can lead to drought in other areas. Eastern and Africa, Kenya and Uganda are preparing for possible flooding because of El Nino. Yet, two countries to the south, Malawi and South Africa, are already dealing with the extremely dry weather. The United Nations Children's Fund warns that many people are at risk from hunger, disease, and water shortage resulting from this El Nino. In East and Southern Africa, it warms up to 11 million children could be affected. Weather change caused by El Nino depends on its strength. In the early 1980s, a strong El Nino was linked to dry weather in Australia and Asia, rains and flooding in South America, and high temperature in much of the United States. 10 years later, a smaller El Nino caused flooding in parts of the U.S. For VOA Learning English, I'm Calvary Priestley.